Yo guys, what's going on? It's Motal. Welcome to this new video. As you know, yesterday we installed the pieces of this machine, but we didn't finish yesterday. Today we have to complete this work. And what I'm gonna do? Yes, we should install another iron roof next to the tankers, and after that we should install galvanized sheets. It took us almost 4 hours to finish welding here. Now I'm gonna show you these iron roofs from different angles. As you know, these iron roofs not really big work, but have a really important duty. And what is the duty? I talked about it in the last video, but I'm gonna say it again. In this process, we have to prevent the direct sunlight. Finally, we were able to finish after 8 hours. Maybe after 1 or 2 weeks, we can start producing oils by this machine, because this roof regulates the temperature and we can have a preset temperature. And at the end, I'm very happy that you have accompanied me so far with your look. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye.